Hey guys, welcome back. In last video, we have understand how we can use expanded, flexible spacer or size box component or widgets in Flutter. So for your reference, if you want to read this later on, I'm creating a new file here and I am just saving all the data in this file. So I say I need a dart file and here I say this is expanded main in a small letter, expanded main dart, or I can give is like this main dot dart, and in this new file I just copy all the data whatever I have here. Later on you can read from here this file. Now I can make modification in this file as per the requirement of this video. Remember that I have explained in previous video also how you can create stateless widget. What is the meaning of stateless? Why we having only a build function here? I have given the information in the life cycle of stateless or stateful widgets also. What is the meaning of material here? What is the meaning of theme here? Why I am using here material app? I have given the demo in the previous videos. And why I am using stateful widget? What is the meaning of this stateful widget? Why I am using final field here? Why I am using this extra class for you can say for mutable variables, means I can declare variables, those I can change in a class. So I can take in this class, and how to use this I have explained each and everything. What is the use of scaffold? This is by default the first widget, and under the scaffold we have app bar also, which you are watching here. So how to use this I have explained in previous videos. Now in this video I want to explain you that I'm using a column here. So in place of column I can use flex also. We have a flex like this. You see, flex is also a one widget. Here we have here, and under the flex we do not have this. So remove this, and here it's showing some direction property I have to give. So I say direction here, and I say direction is axis dot vertical. So vertical direction I am giving here. So I say save. You see that no change would be there in this flexible, in a flex widget. You see, I'm giving a vertical here. Vertical means the column. So this flex will work as a column widget. Remember that I'm giving a direction in vertical. All the components are in vertical. No changes there, just equivalent to column. But if I say axis to horizontal, so you see that automatically it will convert into row. You see, automatically is converted into row. Why? Because the direction is now horizontal. So I'm removing all these extra widgets like flexible or something that I'm removing from this. So I say remove this widgets. Similarly, I'm removing this also just to show the complete coding of this. So I'm removing this also, alt and enter, and remove this widgets like this. Once again I save, and you will see that here container is gone here from the height. Why? Horizontal is there, container in a children we have 400. Okay, because we are giving a height here. We don't need to give height. I need to give here width. So I say width here, and that is the much space. So I say 240 here. Then I say because here we need to give width. If I'm using, you see, using row, and I say width 800 pixel. So it's going out of the screen. So remember that it's a problem here. I have explained in the last video also. In place of this you can use what? You can use expanded also. So I say here alt enter, and I say wrap into the expanded. So remaining space will be covered by the expanded. No overflow would be there. So I'm not putting all the container under expanded. I'm putting only one. That remaining space, less or is more, it will adjust by this. So width I have, but I'm not giving a height here. That's why it's just taking all the height of the screen. So I can give height also to each and every container. You know how to give height. So that is not a purpose to give height or anything. I'm just showing here that that flex is working like a row also. And if I convert this into vertical, so it will behave like a column. You see, but in a column, we do not have this width type of this. We have a height type of this. So here I need to convert into height. So that is a problem. You have to adjust yourself. So I say 200, you see, automatically adjust by the expanded. So here also I say height, and here also I say height, and this is 800, you see, so 800 pixels. So automatically it cover the screen, and we have a remaining like this. So this 800 do not work under expanded, because expanded automatically adjust the size. It just does not follow the rule of width or height. It just take automatically whatever the you can say the direction you are giving. Here I am giving a direction of vertical. So vertically it taking a space. If I say horizontal, so horizontally it will cover all the space. You see all space is covered by this because I am not giving a width here, because I have to give the width in place of height. Remember that these are the settings that you have to do yourself, but I'm giving a example here that in place of a column or row you can use flex also. Anytime you can change the direction and your you can say screen will convert according to the direction you are giving. If you are giving a vertical direction, then it will be converted into column. If you give horizontal direction, then it will convert into the horizontal, and just you need to give the height or width. Otherwise you can give expanded to each and every container. Automatically they will adjust as per the screen size. So this is all about flex widget in Flutter. So if you like this video and you're getting a new knowledge, you are getting a advanced knowledge, you are getting a simple knowledge, so please do subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this.